Hello friends, and welcome back to another gardening video. Today I am going to share how you can easily regrow some onion leaves or some onions from the onion stems which we usually throw off while we use the onions. Some of us like these white onions and others like the colored onions. So whichever onion you choose, all you need to do is cut off the onion stem. Over here I have taken off a little bit more just for the sake of video, and you have to put it in water. You can simply remove off the onion stem as I'm doing over here on this white onion, and all you need to do is put it in water. It is preferable to make sure that the top part does not get dipped inside the water, and we need only the stems to touch the water, and you will soon see a lot of fresh onion roots growing out from the onion stem. And once the roots grow out, all you need to do is plant it in the soil as I've done over here. You can see the tiny shoots will start coming out as soon as you put it in the soil, and these shoots will start growing up pretty soon. Thus, from the waste onion stems which we usually throw away, you can see that new shoots have started growing, and this is that white onion which I had used. So once this is put in the soil and once the shoot grows up, you can leave it like so, and you can use the onion leaves in your various dishes if you are fond of onion leaves. But if you want to have some onions, then all you need to do is wait until the shoots become a little bit longer, and once it becomes a little bit longer, you can take out that onion which you had planted as I'm doing over here. Just dig it up and release it from the soil, and you can see that the roots have grown really nicely. Now all you need to do is take out these are like kind of onion saplings, and I have removed quite a lot of these saplings. I have grown like 5 to 6 onion stems in this manner, and this is like not grown completely, but still I took it out for the video to show the roots, and this is the appropriate size. Once it grows at least this much long, all you need to do is remove off the extra peels of the onions which are there, and in this manner just gently remove off the peels, or you can use a knife or a scissor to trim off the peels. And you will find that there are at least 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 onion saplings inside this, and you can separate out those saplings. Like over here I am using my fingers to do this, but it is better to use a knife, and it is easier to cut off gently and separate out the various onion saplings. So in this manner, from one onion stem you can get at least 3 to 4 or minimum 2 saplings, as you can see over here. And once you separate out these saplings, all you need to do is dig the soil, add some compost, it should be well drained soil, and just plant those separated saplings. And these are as good as planting any store bought or nursery bought saplings. And once you plant it, you can get the leaves on top, and you can use them in the dishes, or if you want you can allow them to grow, and you will see after a few months you will get a full grown onion also. Now I had used these onions basically for the leaves, so the onions below which formed were not really big because I had used the leaves, so it didn't grow well down below. But if you want them to grow into full onions, don't eat up the leaves, and you will find really nice big onions growing down. So this is an easy method to propagate onions free of cost. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found this video useful, and thanks for watching.